props, vehicles, weapons, robots, buildings, and more. Hard surface design is one of the most important elements of any production, no matter the genre or setting. In this upcoming Learn Squared course, you'll learn to build hard surface props of any size, taking them all the way from concept to completion. Lars Sowig, a leading concept designer on hard surface elements from some of your favorite video games, will cover how to find inspiration, block out a design, model, texture, and finally present your work in the most attractive way possible. You'll be learning true professional workflows, which will help you to step right into your next industry position. Need proof? Lars himself is a Learn Squared graduate. Hard surface design will release later this year, but if you pre-order now, you'll gain early access to the entire first lesson immediately. This massive opening lesson includes not only basics in theory, but several stages of block-out modeling and design revision. So if you're serious about this, why wait? Get a head start on learning, complete assignments, and meet your fellow early bird students today. Pre-order now and start your journey at LearnSquared.com.